Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock sauce. Roast the bones first to deepen flavor and remove burnt bits. Start with cold water and bring slowly to a gentle simmer, then skim foam as it forms. Add carrots, celery, onion, and whole peppercorns without overpowering the stock. Simmer low and slow to extract gelatin and flavor, then strain and reduce for a glossy, savory sauce finish. Build flavor in layers by combining roasted bones with a few raw pieces to keep brightness. Sweat the mirepoix briefly before adding to the pot to release sweet aromatics. Use whole spices like peppercorns and avoid grinding to keep clarity in the stock. Taste and adjust with a small pinch of salt late in cooking. Finish by chilling, skimming fat, and reducing the strained stock for concentrated sauce quality. After simmering, strain the stock through a fine sieve or cheesecloth for clarity and smoothness. Cool quickly to let fat rise, then skim or refrigerate overnight to remove excess grease easily. Return the clear stock to the pot and reduce over medium heat until it coats a spoon for a sauce base. Taste periodically and finish with a splash of acid to brighten the final sauce before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.